video for us is becoming an integral part in our asset development and also ensuring that our owners have direct access to it to use it in any way and format that they want to for their local marketing strategies.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Multi-Location Marketing Leader. I'm Erin Martin, and this episode is brought to you by Netsertive, a marketing partner who can help you run better localized marketing programs. Today, our guest is Erin Forrest. She's the VP of Marketing at JanPro Systems International, who's a commercial cleaning franchise and was recently named number 34 on Entrepreneur's Franchise 500 list. So Erin, thanks for joining me today and congrats on another year of a high ranking.
Thank you, Erin, and thank you so much for the invitation to join you on the podcast to talk marketing.
How do you guys think about video, whether it's, OTT and CTV or like simple ways of communicating that message? Like, how do you guys, if you do use video at all, or how do you think about that?
Erin, you touched on something for me right now, which is, storytelling. So storytelling for me is such an important component of what we as marketers do out there. And marketing really, as you probably know, is rooted in telling the stories that help change people's lives, and if you tell that story consistently and you tell it extremely well, you can really help to trigger that emotional response that in a lot of instances ends up ensuring that you have a connection that lasts a lifetime. So how we bring stories to life in the video context, but also in our marketing context is really, really important for us.